This is the Samsung DV100 digital point and shoot camera. It is 16.1 megapixels. I just recently purchased this from Best Buy. It was on sale for $139 with the 8GB micro SIM card that fits into this camera and also the camera case that it fits into. And I am just going to go ahead and unbox this. So there was a seal. I already ripped it off. There should be a seal at the opening here, and it is a little sticky. So when you open the box, it should look like this. The camera is wrapped and sealed right here, and inside the box should include the charger right here. It's pretty slim. And the battery. Also the USB that you plug into the charger here, and you can also plug this into your computer to transfer photos if you don't use the memory card. And the instructions are in here with also a camera strap right here. So I am going to go ahead and open the camera. Right here. Really beautiful. They come in two colors that I know of that was available. It was only black and silver, but I chose black. So if it gets dirty, you can't really see it. And I'm just going to pop the battery into the camera right on the bottom here. And you just put it in like that. And I have a micro SIM card already, so I'm going to put that one in for now. Actually, no, this is a number 2. So I'm going to turn on the camera. The battery it comes with has a little bit of battery, the manufacturer. And the moment you turn on the camera, it has the settings right here. And you can just select your own language. There's English, there is Korean, French, Dutch, Spanish, Chinese, Portuguese, and a ton of other languages. And you get to pick your time zone, where you are, and I'm just going to pick a random one for now. And then you get to set the time and the date right here. And I'm just going to pick something random for now. And you can also pick the type, the format you want your date displayed on the camera. And then you press menu to exit. And there you are. It started up. So because this camera has the self-portrait LCD in the front, there's one in the front and one in the back. This one's just